Many people lose quality sleep because of their own snoring or snoring from a loved one. Snoring happens when the muscles in your soft palate, tongue, and throat relax and then partially block the airway. They begin to vibrate as air passes through. To help relieve snoring, try these tips. Avoid alcohol, which can soften tissues. Since dry air causes throat and nasal membranes to dry out, a humidifier can relieve snoring in some cases. Being overweight contributes to the problem because extra tissues in the throat make the sound louder. And lastly, a dust, pollen, and animal dander-free environment cuts down on irritation to the airways. I'm Ann Schechter, and this is the Wellness Minute.